Hey everyone, today I'll guide you through setting up HA Tunnel's DNS settings for secure and private browsing. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where I'll delve into more crucial HA Tunnel settings and features. Step 1. Start by visiting the Google Play Store and searching for HA Tunnel. Once found, click on the first result and tap the download button to install the app on your device. Step 2. After the download is complete, open the HA Tunnel app, and you'll land on the home screen.
Step 3. Before using the HA Tunnel VPN, ensure you have data available to load and download the servers. Once loaded, you'll find them listed in the app. Step 4. Activate the Custom Settings feature by clicking on the Custom Settings button. This will reveal additional options and settings within the app. Step 5. From the Custom Settings menu, select the DNS TT Tunnel option to proceed with the setup process. Step 6. In the provided box, you can either enter your preferred DNS server address or use the default Google DNS servers shown. This choice determines the DNS servers used for your secure browsing. Step 7. You'll be presented with a list of available server locations. Choose the one that best suits your needs or preferences. Step 8. Finally, click the Start button to establish the VPN connection and secure your browsing experience. Conclusion: that wraps it up. You successfully configured the HA Tunnel DNS settings for secure browsing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more valuable tutorials and informative content about HA Tunnel and other important tech topics.